Off-N-Go will adopt business-to-business and business-to-consumer model. Target segments will vary with those two models. The B2C model is intended for people who require 4-day coach trips. The goal of Off-N-Go will be to establish a self-sufficient and sustainable program of annual day trips throughout the summer period, as well as a yearly coach touring program that will generate a profitable enterprise. Revenue will be generated from two means. One is affiliations with currently established transportation operators. This will be an optimal way to save the cost of advertising. Furthermore, Off-N-Go shall look to associate itself with well-defined tour package providers that will help to generate revenues through sales of quality and desirable tours with UK and European destinations. You should have partnerships with reputable suppliers, referring to not only coach tour wholesalers, but also the vehicle maintenance companies. It will be prudent for Off-N-Go to ensure the quality of service.
For strategic value, in order for Off-N-Go to offer the best package, suppliers that gave us superior input of the trips, contracts, and tour packages being offered are very important. We should select the right software system. Here, we just talk about two. They can both link into Google Maps for ease of many things. They also can supply the superior all-around packages at the best price. For information system, there are 5 IT infrastructures. They are computer hardware, computer software, data management technology, networking and telecommunications technology, and technology services. They all coordinate together in a compatible manner. Hardware. Founding modern computers allow technologies to input, process, store, and output data with ever increasing speed. Windows XP suit the operational needs of Off-N-Go. This will be due to the reliability of PCs that currently have this platform installed. Capacity planning has these two functions. And hardware needs security to protect customers' secrets. For software, we plan to buy these two softwares, Simpson Associates and FileMaker. With these benefits, the connection with each other can be close together. And technological benefits of this software can give an additional strategic value. For information system, by using emails and phone calls, this can allow direct contact between employees, customers, and suppliers in the form of data provided by voice and video input. We should decide to use the best communication package and internet supplier. We should also think about green IT. It means decrease unnecessary use of computers. For example, we should turn off the facilities when they are left unused for a long time.
As for entity relationship diagram, which mainly contain entity and attributes, the 5 entity relationships will be introduced. The first one is customer and booking, which is one-to-many relationship. One customer can order more than one trips. Customers also can check online to make sure the information they are correct. The second one is driver and booking, which is one-to-many relationship. After the order has been confirmed, a suitable vehicle will be assigned to the trip with a driver. The third one is booking and trip. One booking only involves one trip. A trip consists of its type, price, duration, and other descriptions. As for the fourth relationship is trip and vehicle, which is one-to-one relationship. After the order has been confirmed, a suitable vehicle will be assigned to the trip. Then the last relationship is vehicle, and supplier. The relationship between our coaches and supplier is many-to-many. Generally, during this service, our company will be responsible for coach running costs. This is entity relationship diagram.
Query language is a kind of database language and is significant for database management, which is one of the basic elements for business information. The main function of SQL is to draw queries and then to create SQL views, such as counting the number of orders and sorting the price of services. There are some database tables which are related to entities. The main function of database is to help staff to know the basic information about customers, suppliers, and other relevant entities. The scenario which helps us to know how the SQL works. A customer called David would like to book a group trip online with Off-N-Go. He wants to go on the trip which begins in London and would like to choose the cheapest option. Create a SQL view to meet his needs through some query languages such as select, from, where, or, and order by. SQL formula is based on a coach database and all data is virtual. The final part is about dashboard design. Key performance indicators are a set of measurements conducted frequently by senior managers to ensure the prosperity of a business. They can focus on both current business conditions and future ones, which ultimately lead to desirable behavior outcomes. This graph describes the sales and costs within 1 year. It is apparent that our company would operate at a deficit because at the initial stage of business, there will be considerable and inevitable fees to pay, such as the establishment costs for website, the rental cost of offices, and so on. Also, very few customers would know and choose our company at beginning, so sales from January to March will be low. However, after making the abundant down payment, the cost will be relatively fixed and equal. Moreover, sales may increase through an effective advertising campaign as well as from word-of-mouth recommendations from satisfied customers, which guarantee our revenue growing. Demonstrate that the majority of customers fall into the group category, which gives us a preliminary estimation for sales promotion and advertisement. Furthermore, the bar chart here illustrates the detailed distribution of customer types in each month. Apparently, a large number of people planning to go out in groups during summer and winter holidays such as December and January. Consequently, the sales promotion at those times may focus on attracting groups. The larger the group is, the better the discount will be applied. Another pie chart illustrating the popularity of different tour routes among customers. According to the survey and data, we will consider reducing the number of departure for less popular routes and adding coaches to those being preferred. The reason is that at the initial business stage, there would be not enough funds to support every route and tour with the same amount of drivers and coaches. Given is a line graph describing the portion of orders and demands at different times over 1 day, which helps us to reasonably reduce or add coach services during a certain time.